Hello, and welcome once more to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're visiting AppLock. This privacy-focused app has two core features. One is managing usage, restricting apps from use for certain parts of the day or according to a schedule. And the other is hiding installed apps entirely, preventing anyone from even knowing that you have the app downloaded on your device. AppLock is available in the App Store. It can be purchased outright or used with a subscription after the free trial. So let's get cracking. After the introduction page, the first thing we need to do so AppLock will work is enable screen time. Apple have essentially opened up screen time to developers, so their apps can work directly with screen time features. This is how it manages apps on your device, including restricting them. Tap Continue on the pop-up, then Allow with Face ID. Finally, tap Done, and then we're taken to the home page. We can start exploring the app now.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.